the project I'm going to talk about involves one of the Italy leading private university. We began collaborating with this institution in late 2010 with the goal of implementing a complete AIM solution. The aim was to provide a unique and integrated system to automate lifecycle management, credential issuance, access authorization model, and access management system. Over the year, Neverhack teams has managed multiple product update and migration phases to ensure the AIM solution remained up to date and efficient. One of the most recent steps involved replacing the existing identity governance and administration, which was based on one of the most important commercial solutions with Evolveum MidPoint. The project was not limited to migrate existing systems, but rather about to complete overall of processes to take full advantage of the new feature offered by the product.
The project presents some important aspects. First of all, the solution automates the entire identity lifecycle of a wide range of users types, including internal staff, collaborators, external personnel, partners, system administrator, services account, and most importantly, students and their careers. As of this writing, over 99% of digital identities and accounts are managed through the solution, so that the solution is able to govern both B2B and B2C identities. The scale of the system is another important aspect, highlighting the solution's excellent level of engineering. The system manages over 100,000 active identities and over 400,000 alumni, for a total of more than 4 million accounts. It has been integrated with about 10 different systems, enabling access and authorization for about 100 internal applications and 50 federated services. To automate all of this, about 600 roles have been created. Finally, I would like to put in evidence the strategic shift undertaken by the client, who has chosen to adopt an open source solution to replace a commercial one. While the final decision was driven by cost reduction, it was neither the only nor the most important decision factor. Before making the final selection, Neverhack worked closely with the customer to conduct a deep analysis to identify a list of mandatory and nice-to-have requirements based on current and future needs. Then a list of selected vendors was invited to present their solution in order to obtain a short list of the most interesting products. Finally, the customer prepared a business plan in which the internal team put in highlighted Evolveum at the lowest cost overall.
We already know it, but this project confirmed our view of open source world. Not only operating system, but also some application solutions have now reached the level of reliability, flexibility, engineering, and functional completeness that is fully adequate for many organizations, on par with commercial solutions, but at a lower cost. From my personal perspective, Evolveum MidPoint fit perfectly into this context of acceptance.